Learn with me, Toonly, 04, Characters and Objects. Welcome back to the Learn with me, Toonly series on Renville Retired. In this video, I will be adding characters and objects we will use in our video scenes. I will also use keyframes to have one of the objects move during the scene. Let's get started. In the last video, we added the 2 additional scenes and the backgrounds we will use in creating this video. Let's go scene by scene and add our characters and objects. To save time, I will not be going over all of the options available. Be sure to explore the characters and objects when you create your videos. The opening scene is recreating part of the opening clip from the first video in this series. Let's go to the playground and add our characters and the ball. Let's first rename the scene Playground. Now let's add the boy, the man, and the ball. I will animate these in the next video. When adding components to your scene, be sure the playhead is where you want them to come in at. Okay, moving on to scene 2, the ambulance ride across town. We will rename this scene Ambulance. You can leave your scenes as the numbers if that works better for you. For this scene, we need to add an ambulance. We will come back to animate the ambulance later in this video. Now in scene 3, let's include the man, the doctor, the nurse as the characters we will use. I will animate these characters in the next video. For an object, let's add an X-ray. Let's go back to the ambulance scene. I will use keyframes to have the ambulance move across the screen as if it was driving down the street. I will stretch the scene out to 7 seconds. I will also stretch out the ambulance for the whole scene. Let's also go into the settings for the ambulance. I want to change how it is introduced in the scene to instant from the default. Okay, I want the ambulance to come in from the right side and exit the scene on the left. First, I want to make sure the ambulance is highlighted. Now, looking on the timeline, the ambulance bar is highlighted and has a diamond at each end. These are called the keyframes. Using them, I can have the ambulance move. I will click on the beginning keyframe and drag the ambulance to where I want it to start. This is just off the right side of the screen. I will then click on the ending keyframe. I will then drag the ambulance to where I want it to end. In this case, just off the left side of the screen. Now let's play the scene and see what we have. Okay, I will save the progress so far. That will do it for this video. In the next video, we will animate the other characters and objects. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I will see you in the next video.